Afterpay and Uber Eats, will it actually stop you from getting a home loan? My name is Jessica Brady. I'm a financial advisor and money expert. A few years ago, there was the famous Wagyu and Shiraz case, and the banks were getting very detailed on what exactly you were spending your money on to decide if they wanted to lend to you. Now, some banks are still that strict, so they are potentially going to look at how much you are using Uber Eats, but others, they're going to take your word for it. So what do the banks look for when deciding your borrowing capacity? Well, they look at a number of things. Firstly, they want to know your income, if you've got other dependents, what your credit score is, how much of a deposit you have, if you've got a guarantor. They're also going to factor in your other loans. So any other mortgages, car loans, credit cards, Afterpay, HEX debts. That's what the banks are going to look for when deciding your borrowing capacity. So you don't need to panic that you have to give up Wagyu and Shiraz, but it is important to think about what you're spending your money on in case the banks ask for a deeper look.